Welcome. We find ourselves today in Jagdapur, a serene city nestled in the Bastar region of Chhattisgarh, India, a land practically untouched by the relentless march of time. Here in the heart of India, Jagdapur stands as a testament to the enduring power of nature, a sanctuary where ancient traditions and breathtaking landscapes intertwine. In this program, we will journey together to uncover the hidden treasures of Jagdapur, to stand before the cascading waterfalls that grace its verdant landscapes, to explore the dense forests teeming with life, and to delve into the heart of its vibrant culture. Our exploration begins in Kanga Valley National Park, a sprawling expanse of wilderness that exemplifies the untamed beauty of Jagdapur. This park, located in the Bastar region of Chhattisgarh, is a sanctuary for nature lovers and adventure seekers alike. This park is a testament to the power of nature, a place where life flourishes in all its diversity. From the smallest insects to the largest mammals, every creature here plays a vital role in the ecosystem. As we venture deeper into the park, the air grows heavy with the scent of damp earth, and the symphony of the wild envelops us. The calls of exotic birds, the rustling of leaves, and the distant roar of waterfalls create a mesmerizing soundscape. Towering trees, their canopies forming a verdant ceiling overhead, cast long shadows that dance upon the forest floor. The interplay of light and shadow creates a magical atmosphere, making every step feel like a journey into a fairy tale. Beneath our feet, a carpet of fallen leaves muffles our steps, inviting us to tread softly and observe the wonders that surround us. Each leaf, each twig, tells a story of the forest's rich history. Kanga Valley National Park is home to an astonishing array of flora and fauna, a testament to the biodiversity that thrives in this pristine environment. The park's unique location and climate create a haven for countless species. The forest whispers with the secrets of its inhabitants, from the elusive tiger and the stealthy leopard to the vibrant plumage of countless bird species. Each bird, with its unique song and color, adds to the park's vibrant tapestry. The park is also home to several stunning waterfalls, each a spectacle of nature's raw power and beauty. These waterfalls are not just a visual treat, but also a source of life for the surrounding flora and fauna. But among them, one stands out as a true marvel: Tirathgar Waterfall. Our journey leads us deeper into the heart of the park, following the course of a winding stream. This stream, with its crystal-clear waters, guides us through the dense foliage. The sound of rushing water grows louder with each step, drawing us towards the source of this symphony of nature. The anticipation builds as we get closer, the roar of the waterfall becoming almost deafening. Tirathgar Waterfall cascades down a series of rocky steps, its waters shimmering like liquid silver in the dappled sunlight. This natural wonder is a testament to the timeless beauty and power of nature, leaving us in awe of its magnificence. Our next destination takes us approximately 40 kilometers from Jagdapur, to a place where the earth seems to rumble beneath our feet, and the very air vibrates with the roar of falling water. This is Chitrakoot Waterfall, often referred to as the Niagara of India. As we approach the falls, we are greeted by a sight that takes our breath away. The Indravati River, its waters a deep emerald green, plunges over a sheer cliff face, cascading down in a thunderous torrent that echoes across the valley. The scale of Chitrakoot is truly awe-inspiring. The waterfall stretches for an impressive width, its waters crashing onto the rocks below with a force that creates a perpetual mist, rising high into the air like a ghostly curtain. Surrounding the falls, a lush forest thrives, its emerald embrace adding to the enchanting beauty of this place. For the adventurous soul, Chitrakoot offers more than just visual splendor. Numerous trekking trails wind their way through the dense forests that surround the falls, providing an opportunity to immerse oneself in the raw beauty of this landscape. The area is also home to a variety of wildlife, from vibrant birds to elusive mammals, making it a paradise for birdwatchers and nature enthusiasts alike. The local culture adds another layer of richness to the experience. Visitors can explore nearby villages where traditional crafts and dances offer a glimpse into the vibrant heritage of the region. As the day draws to a close, the setting sun casts a golden hue over the falls, transforming Chitrakoot into a magical wonderland under the moonlight. For those who wish to extend their stay, camping near the falls offers a unique way to experience the natural beauty and tranquility of the area. Imagine falling asleep to the sound of the waterfall under a sky filled with stars, and waking up to the morning mist rising from the falls as the first light of dawn illuminates the landscape. Chitrakoot Waterfall is not just a destination, it's an experience that stays with you long after you've left. We return now to the embrace of Kango Valley National Park, our destination this time, the serene and spiritual Tirathgar waterfall. Unlike the thunderous roar of Chitrakoot, Tirathgar greets us with a sense of tranquility, its gentle cascades whispering tales of ancient times. The waters of Tirathgar, crystal clear and refreshingly cool, flow over a series of stepped rock formations, creating a mesmerizing visual symphony. The sunlight filtering through the dense canopy above paints the water in 1,000 shades of green and turquoise, transforming the waterfall into a shimmering jewel nestled within the emerald embrace of the forest. For the local tribes, Tirathgar holds deep spiritual significance. It is believed that the waterfall is a sacred site, its waters possessing the power to cleanse and purify. Pilgrims journey from far and wide to bathe in the sacred waters, seeking solace and blessings. We observe as families gather at the base of the falls, their laughter echoing through the air as they perform ancient rituals, their faith and devotion palpable. Our journey takes us from the natural wonders of Jagdapur, a region known for its lush forests and breathtaking landscapes. As we move deeper into the heart of this land, we encounter its spiritual heritage, which is as rich and vibrant as its natural beauty. We arrive at the revered Ma Danteshwari temple, a place of immense religious significance and a beacon of faith for countless devotees. This temple stands as a testament to the deep-rooted faith of the people, drawing pilgrims from far and wide who come to seek blessings and solace. The temple, dedicated to goddess Danteshwari, the revered deity of the Bastar region, is a symbol of divine protection and hope. It stands as a beacon of hope and protection for the local communities who have worshipped here for generations. The temple's brightly colored walls, adorned with intricate carvings and murals, are a visual feast. These artworks depict scenes from Hindu mythology, telling stories of faith, devotion, and the eternal battle between good and evil. Each mural and carving is a narrative in itself, illustrating the rich tapestry of mythological tales that have been passed down through the ages. As we enter the temple, we are enveloped by the scent of incense, a fragrance that instantly calms the mind and soul. The sound of chanting fills the air, creating a serene and meditative atmosphere. Devotees, their faces etched with piety and hope, offer prayers to the goddess, seeking her blessings for health, prosperity, and happiness. The rituals performed here are a blend of ancient traditions and personal devotion, each act a step closer to the divine. Adjacent to the temple flows the serene Danteshwari River, its waters considered sacred by the devotees. The river is not just a natural feature, but a spiritual entity believed to be blessed by the goddess herself. Its waters, reflecting the vibrant colors of the temple walls, add to the tranquil ambience of this holy site. The serene flow of the river complements the spiritual energy of the temple, creating a harmonious environment. Legend has it that the river is blessed by the goddess herself, and a dip in its waters is believed to wash away sins and purify the soul. For many, this act of bathing in the sacred river is a profound spiritual experience, a moment of connection with the divine. We leave behind the spiritual realm and venture once more into the embrace of nature, our destination, the majestic Bastar Hills. As we ascend into the hills, the air grows cooler, carrying with it the scent of pine and the wildflowers. The Bastar Hills, a tapestry of lush greenery, rugged terrain, and dense forests, rise majestically from the plains, offering breathtaking panoramic views of the surrounding landscape. From the summit, we are greeted by a vista that stretches as far as the eye can see. Rolling hills carpeted in emerald green, interspersed with the silver ribbons of rivers meandering through the valleys. These hills are a paradise for nature enthusiasts and adventurers alike. Well-marked trekking trails wind their way through the dense forests, leading to hidden waterfalls and caves, each turn revealing a new vista, a new facet of the raw beauty of this place. As we hike through the trails, we are surrounded by the symphony of the forest. Birdsong fills the air, their melodies echoing through the trees. Our final destination in this journey through the natural wonders of Jagdapur takes us to the serene and picturesque Dongagar Hills. The Dongagar Hills, known for their tranquil atmosphere and breathtaking natural beauty, offer a peaceful escape from the world. As we ascend the hills, we are greeted by a sense of serenity that washes over us, the cares of the world melting away with each step. The hills are home to a rich diversity of flora and fauna. Dense forests teeming with life cloak the slopes, providing sanctuary to a myriad of creatures. Exotic birds flit through the trees, their vibrant plumage adding splashes of color to the verdant landscape. Numerous waterfalls cascade down the rocky slopes, their waters sparkling like diamonds in the sunlight. The sound of the water, a soothing melody to our ears, creates a sense of tranquility that permeates the air. The Dongagar Hills are also dotted with ancient temples and caves, testament to the region's rich spiritual heritage. As our journey through the natural wonders of Jagdalpur draws to a close, we are left with a sense of awe and gratitude for the beauty and diversity of this remarkable region. From the cascading waterfalls to the tranquil hills, Jagdalpur offers a sanctuary for the soul, a place to reconnect with nature and experience the true meaning of tranquility. Thank you for joining us on this adventure. Until next time, keep exploring.